Our January map of the month is the Great British Wildlife and Environment Map, recently published by Marvellous Maps. Described as the luscious map of Britain, this is the latest in a wonderfully amusing series from Marvellous Maps. This map is double-sided and printed on very robust paper, and every inch of both sides is crammed with information about the species and habitats of the wildlife that exist in Britain. One side of the double-sided map is a very detailed map of Britain, with hundreds of locations of interest, ranging from the Roseland Peninsula Volunteer Butterfly Project in Cornwall to the RSPB Loch Garten in Scotland for osprey viewing. There is a large-scale inset map for London, identifying places to visit, ranging from the Grant Museum of Zoology, close to Euston Station, to the Camley Street Nature Park in North London. On the reverse side of the map, the top 50 wildlife destinations are featured. This side is designed to encourage you to plan your trip to visit all 50 and tick them off after each visit. There is space for notes and a handy spot to place your glass or mug of tea. We chose this map to be our January map of the month so that you can start planning your wild adventures for the year, or send this map as a gift to the wildlife and environment enthusiasts that you know. Thank you to Marvellous Maps for publishing a great new addition to their excellent range of maps of Britain.